Hey folks, this is Essil. I'm back, and today I want to highlight and discuss yet another, funny how this happens, building block for essential to life, as you will. It's found on Mars. It's funny how this keeps happening. Just makes you start thinking about what they're not telling us. And the one that I want to add to the list as far as building blocks is nitrogen. Nitrogen has been found on Mars. Yes, that's true. And let's just review what we know about it. It's essential for any kind of life anywhere that we know. Um, it helps construct DNA and RNA, which encode genetics, proteins, and like hair, nails. They speed up, kind of regulate chemical reactions, and but I mean, it's important to kind of point out there's no real evidence at this point, as they quote unquote say, for fixed nitrogen molecules. Right now, the nitrogen's bonded into a covalent bond with two nitrogen um, atoms together. So, um, this kind of goes with the previously found evidence that um, there's some organic molecules, there's liquid water, and some other key ingredients that are really necessary for life. They're found on Mars. I mean, it's another one of these things. You just kind of like raise your eyebrow. What are these guys not telling us? They're not telling us a lot. They know a lot more. They're just not telling us. It's kind of disheartening. Um, I just go back and forth with this, guys. Um, I'm not pleased with the government. I'm not pleased with how they're trickling this information out. We as citizens need to do something about it. I'm raising awareness with my videos. Um, may not have the largest audience out there, but I'm trying to build my faithful audience. Um, you know, the nitrogen there, they say, is not believed to be created by life. So it's just something naturally occurring. Um, but I don't know. There's so many things on Mars, like dry riverbeds and the discovery of minerals, not only to form the presence of liquid water, but kind of suggest that it was pretty hospitable in the past. And the Curiosity rovers found evidence that some other ingredients for life, such as water, organic matter, were present at some of the Gale crater sites billions of years ago. I'm not so certain that billions of years ago they they can say that. Um, you know, there's so many things that are just, it doesn't make any sense here. Um, you know, the instrumentation, I know with a spacecraft like this, it's all about the weight. When you launch these rovers into space, you have to be very, very selective about what kind of instrumentation. I don't believe the right instrumentation is on these crafts. Hopefully we can get another team of crafts with different specialized instrumentations, so we can start discovering what's really there. I believe there's still water there. There may not be very much of it, and it may be captured under the surface, but these kind of things are important. Any future colonization of the planet Mars, it's essential that we be able to harvest these resources that are remaining there. We do know that there was a very large ocean on Mars. We do know that for sure. NASA's not shy about telling us that. But what NASA is shy about telling us is there is probably life under the surface. Now, I'm telling you, it's not going to be a bunch of intelligent aliens. They're not traveling in tubes under the surface. There's not like a rat on the surface or Bigfoot like you see in other videos. But these kind of compounds found on the planet is indicative to me that something is underneath the surface. There may be cavernous regions under the Martian soil that actually can hold life. So let me know your comments. I think this is an important step on disclosure and how someday they're actually going to tell us what's actually going on. So this is Estilla signing out.